Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Dreams Natura Resort and Spa. This is a beautiful ground-up new build with one of the most unique and awesome spas around. You've got golf close by, and this is a really fantastic wedding venue. This particular room is usually booked as part of a wedding. Oftentimes it's combined with the room next door. We have a video for that as well. That's the Master Suite Peony, and this is the Master Suite Orchid. When you put them together, you have a really cool configuration, including a massive outdoor terrace. But let me show you what this particular suite is all about. As soon as you walk in the door to my right, you've got luggage storage, and you've got drawers right below. It's a nice little touch because you can take it and put it right away. Now here's the second bathroom. You see the toilet over in the corner, and you've got a full vanity here because you can utilize this living room space also as a second bedroom. I also believe that you can book these two together for a really unique and very, very cool family combination because you have the two kings, and then you also have this large sofa that'll pull out into a couch. I'll get there in just a second. Now over here to my left, you have your Nespresso maker, pods just to that, and you'll also have those replenish as often as you like throughout your stay, just like your mini bar, which will be coming fully stocked. You've got your dining room table. You can order off of the room service menu. Perfect place usually for breakfast. They've got some phenomenal restaurants here for lunch and dinner. Now right here, you're gonna see your large sofa. You've got the chaise lounge, and then this also can turn into a bed for you. You've got your coffee table here and a chair with a table and your large flat panel TV that is a smart TV. Now, if you're booking this as a family configuration, or if maybe you have a bridal party configuration, you can open this up and it will shut completely to give you that extra level of privacy. Now follow me in here to my left, you're gonna find the bathroom. This is a really large, really nice master bathroom. You've got your toilet right here to my left. You're gonna have your shower right here. You've got a rainforest shower head and the shower wand, as well as a nice bench in the corner. Continuing along, you've got some art on the wall and these beautiful tiles up here. Large mirror, tons of storage underneath, including your hair dryer and your scale down there. You've got a large double vanity, backlit magnifying mirror, and then of course the signature Dreams incense. Now I mentioned that this is a preferred club room, and the first amenity I wanted to point out is this extra amenity here. You've got a ton of things in there, things you may have forgotten or left behind, and also some upgraded bath amenities as well. Now continuing along, you have your storage on both sides here. So you've got your robes and your slippers. Once again, check out that spa. You can see that in our full resort tour. It is so cool. It's an entire underground cenote that they built there. Continuing on to the other side, you've got more storage over here, and this is where you're gonna find your safe and your steamer. Now I'm in the master bedroom. You can see the large king-size bed. You do have two USB chargers next to the bed and two US chargers, a little clock, and you're gonna find your temperature controls. Continuing on through to the other side, you've got your light switches, two more USB chargers, your phone and remote, which controls the second flat panel TV. Now keep in mind in that family situation, this is really nice because you have those redundancies. So on both parts of this room, they do have fans. I really like that. I love to keep the air moving. You've got your chair here in the corner that's perfect for reading, and then a little table. And you got this nice bag, once again, as part of a preferred club guest, you're gonna get to take that with you. So we're just outside the master bedroom right here. You've got a nice soaking tub. You also have these two chairs. Now there are room categories just on the side here. Just want to give full disclosure with that. But that doesn't usually matter in this sense because most people book this together with the suite next door. So you put the Orchid together with the Peony, and you're going to get a massive two king suite inside with those two living rooms that you can once again have quite a few people. I also think that this would be really great to be booked together with family groups. So maybe you have different groups of family coming, and then you can move between the two and do childcare and things along those lines as well. I know my wife and I always love to do that. But if you look at this massive terrace all together, what you have here is an event space. They use this for weddings, they use this for parties. There's even a separate event entrance on the far side. Keep in mind now, if you book it independently, this is going to be separated off and your room would essentially stop right here. But when booked together, you're gonna get all of this together. Such a nice thing when you are having a wedding to have spaces that can be combined into really fantastic spaces that are multi-use, because once you finish, you have the really comfy space just inside. When you're considering your wedding here at Dreams Natura, or if you want to book this in any configuration, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and this is very unique spaces right here. And we know that we can work together with you, your friends and family to create the vacation and event of a lifetime at an incredible value.